if I just change my trademark slightly, will that get it approved? Hi, I'm Mike Steger. I'm a trademark and copyright attorney, and I'm going to talk a bit more about the likelihood of confusion test and what that means for your trademark versus a competitor's trademark that might be pretty similar. So if you look down at the video below, in that video from a while back, I discussed the likelihood of confusion standard, which is the standard for trademark infringement, and also a test that is applied to see if you can get a trademark registration in the United States. Sometimes I have clients who they want to register a trademark. It turns out after a search, there's something that's either identical or very close. And the potential client will say, well, what if we add this, or what if we add that, or make these slight changes? The test for making changes is the new mark, does it have an identical or very similar commercial impression to the existing mark? So if you add something very slight, if you change your wording from singular to plural, if you add a color to it, if you add an article like the or a or an, those are not changes that are going to change the commercial impression. No one would see Coca-Cola and then see yours that says Coca-Cola's and think there was any difference between the two. Also, if you have, small like directional changes, very slight geographic notations, things like that, they're really not going to change the heart, the commercial impression, the thrust of the impression of the trademark. Those are usually not going to be enough to overcome a finding that your mark is confusingly similar to someone else's. So you really need to make sure that what a reasonable consumer sees and what their first impression is going to be different, and it's going to have a different impact on them than somebody else's trademark. I'm Mike Steger. If you're confused and you don't want to be likely to be confused, give me a call.